Okay, right now we're going to be talking about function notation. The function notation is when we have this right here, f of x. It can be any other letter, but what this means is that f is my dependent variable, which is depending on x. So, I have f of x equals 2x plus 3, and I want you to find me f of negative 5. Now, the way that I want you to think about this is that if I have f of negative 5, I want you to notice that negative 5 substituted the x. What does that tell you? That tells you that the value of x is negative 5. And you can see it as those parentheses showing you the negative 5 inside. It even helps you to solve the equation. Why? Because then, every time that I see an x, I will substitute it with parentheses negative 5 inside. So, I first start with a 2. And then, I'm going to have my x, but instead of x, I'm going to write negative 5 inside of my parentheses. Then, I have a plus 3. So all that you have to do now is use order of the operations. Again, I want you to notice that all that happened is each one of those x's got replaced by a negative 5, which is the value of x. So all that we have to do now is use order of the operations to solve. So I know parentheses first, so this is what I have to do. 2 times negative 5 gives me a negative 10. And the plus 3, I'll just drop it. This is what I have to do now. So I say again, f of negative 5 equals negative 10 plus 3. Negative 10 plus 3. That gives me a total of negative 7. And this is the value of f of negative 5.